Hello, HOA property owners. My name is Christian Robstek, owner and founder of Service First Restoration. We are your HOA's restoration hero. We've been hired to come in and help get your property back together, right? Get your life back together. So just here's a little bit of what to expect as a homeowner, okay? So first off, we received a work order from your HOA property management company, and that work order has some directive on it for us to come out and inspect and report back findings. Sometimes we have authorization to start work right away. Just depends on the way that the property management company, more the board, handles these sorts of work orders, okay? So when we get out to your property, you are going to sign a HOA acknowledgement, which allows us to come into your home and perform any services that you or the HOA allow us to do, okay? And what do you expect after that? So if it's an RFP, which is a request for proposal from the HOA, we're going to come in and we're going to inspect and we're going to report back findings to the HOA with a proposal. That will then go to the board or to the manager, and we'll go to the board and manager for approval. Now that varies, that process varies between HOA to HOA, okay? So that timing, you can reach out to your property manager, you can reach out to us directly to understand what the parameters are, what the expectations are around that. Now, sometimes we get what we call a go-do work order, where we have authorization to start work immediately. Those are great, because we get to get in there, we get to get the process started and get your life back together faster and sooner than the RFP process, right? So those are the projects that we love because we can move a little bit faster and keep you happier through the process, right? So now, as soon as the project starts, water, mold cleanup, let's call it, start with that. Water, mold cleanup, we're going to set up some property protection. Last thing we want to do is come into your home and cause more damage to your home than is already there, right? So we're going to take precautions to protect your home. Sometimes projects will want to set up a containment or dust barrier to minimize particulates and dust in the home. So we might set that up, okay? And then we got to get to the demolition, but before you can do demolition, a lot of projects, it requires, in today's world, according to the EPA and the Contractor State License Board, it requires environmental testing. So we might have to do some environmental testing, and then we can do the removal. So we're going to do removal of any materials that need to be removed, and we're going to set up equipment. Now, a lot of times, actually, I kind of skip that. We might set up equipment that first day that we get on site if we have authority, because what that's going to do is that's going to start the drying process. That's going to mitigate any secondary damages, okay? So we get the building materials removed. As soon as we have all the building materials removed, we can then prepare a repair proposal for your homeowners association. And our goal is to get that approved as quickly as possible so we can get your house put back together. You want to make sure that you check your CC&Rs. Your CC&Rs are your covenants, codes, and restrictions for your homeowners associations, and it'll outline what you're responsible for versus your homeowners association. That's a super important step in the process for you to understand, okay? At the end of the project, we're going to have you sign a certificate of completion, just saying that you're satisfied with the work that's been completed, and we're going to ask for some feedback. It's a little survey, so you can share your feedback with us so we know we're doing a good job and we can look for ways to improve, okay? So we are your restoration hero, and we are the water, mold, and fire experts and repair, build back experts for your HOA. Oh, shoot. If you end up filing an insurance claim and you want us to help with those repairs, we can help you with that, okay? So we're your #1 restoration hero. We are actually the #1 restoration vendor servicing the HOA industry. Feel free to look us up. We take pride in our work, and we want to make sure that you're super happy with the work that we provide you, okay? Thank you, and have a great day.